It should come as no surprise that someone's come up with a new use for the soybean. This legume has been used in commercial and industrial products for thousands of years. In fact, Henry Ford was a big supporter of soy. He even developed a plastic made from the soybean that he used in his cars. Well, this time, the soybean lands on your roof. A company called Green Products has developed a roof waterproofing system called ELMS. That's Environmental Liquid Membrane System. In the past, if you had a flat roof, you were limited to mostly petroleum-based products to waterproof the surface. ELMS is a 100% environmentally friendly, renewable alternative. Just like the other stuff, it can be rolled, brushed, or sprayed on your roof to create a waterproof coating. But it also has a few advantages too. ELMS has a low odor, so it won't stink up your home when they put it on. It won't freeze, so it can be applied almost year-round. And it's mold resistant. But the big advantage comes from its color. Did you know that on a 90-degree day, a dark roof can get up over 160 degrees? ELMS is white, which causes it to reflect heat from the surface of your roof. This means that less heat is absorbed by your home and your air conditioning doesn't have to work as hard. In fact, ELMS is so energy efficient that it even has an ENERGY STAR rating. It's a pretty big accomplishment for a little bean, don't you think? So remember, the next time you're backing your biodiesel-fueled car out of your garage with your ELMS sealed roof to go buy tofu, don't forget to say thank you to the soybean.